Getting back to the phone call I received from Priyan, and we went out on the night to a pub and we sat there and he did me the honour of saying, "I love your daughter and I would like a hand in marriage." And as I sat there and thought about it, if Sophie had have asked me to go out into the world and find a man that loved her, cherished her and would look after her, it was Priyan.
Putting the jokes aside for a second, when it comes to Sophie, I would say she's elegant, as you can clearly see from her outfit today. But don't let that fool you. She's also tenacious, grounded, and trust me, has some mean DIY skills. She's got a great eye for home design too, which is lucky because without her, Priyan would be living with Rush Hour wallpaper combined with life-size Jackie Chan and Chris Tucker cutouts. Priyan, it makes me happy to see you happy with someone who means so much to you. You've grown into a man who is kind-hearted, loyal, and endlessly supportive. And Sophie, you bring out the best in him. And if there's one thing Rush Hour taught us, it's that great partnerships are built on patience, trust, and occasionally yelling, "Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth?" And full of joy. I've seen your journey from your first flat to your house. You've renovated and turned into your home. Now, as you enter this next chapter of life together, I wish you nothing but happiness, love, and success for all the years to come. Thank you for all coming together today to celebrate this special day. Please, everyone, raise your glasses once more to the newlyweds. Here's to a lifetime of love, happiness, and memories.